Welcome to my channel Tech Bytes. Imagine if your computer had a brain that could see, hear, and talk all at once. That's Gemini. It's Google's most advanced AI that doesn't work with words alone, but it can also look at your photos, listen to your voice, even watch a video with you to help solve problems, spark new ideas, and get things done faster. Google has recently released Gemini Certified Educator Certification, which is totally free of cost. Welcome to the 7-day journey to Gemini Mastery, your complete Gemini Certified Educator series for innovative teaching. Don't miss it. Subscribe now for more innovative teaching strategies and insights. Hit the notification bell so you're always the first to know about my latest videos. If I want to become a Gemini Certified Educator, step 1. I have to go to Google and type Gemini Certified Educator Exam. You will have Google Education Certification appearing first. You will click here and you will have the screen being shown there, your Google for Education certifications and exams. And when you scroll down, you will have Gemini Educator, and here you will click register. Once you click register, you will have to fill the first name, the last name, the school, the organization, and your email address. And it is a good practice to have your personal email address, because once you clear your examination, your certificate will be sent to your personal email address, and that will be throughout the certificate will be with you if you have your personal email address. And you will have to specify your school or organization's email address, backup email address, job title, phase of education, which is EdTech, higher education or primary education, and you can specify the country and the language. Two important things you have to click here are: I certify that I'm 18 years old or older, and I understand if I'm not 18 plus, I will not be allowed to take an exam through the Google for Education Certification Launchpad. And the second one, I have read and accept the Google Terms of Service, Exam Non-Disclosure Agreement, and the Google for Education, Exam Privacy and Policies. These two has to be clicked, and then you will click Next. After clicking Next, you will be going to the Launchpad, where you will have an option of taking the examination. Parallelly, you will be receiving an email from Google which states that you can take your Gemini Educator examination and your registration date, and you will be given a 14 days window where you can prepare and give your exam. Now, how will you prepare for your Gemini Certified Educator exam? You will go to edu.google.com Learning Center, and here you scroll down, you will see Gemini Certified Educator for Educators. Here you can see it is valid for 3 years and it's free of charge. So you can click the exam guide. So once you click the exam guide, you can see the exam guide appearing here, and you will have the contents like prepare, review, and test. So in prepare, you can click getting started with Google AI, and here you will have the contents being displayed. So you can start preparing. I have already got my certificate and I want you to join me. To make things even better, did you know that Gemini exam is now available in Arabic too? That is a great chance for all of us to grow together. If you have registered, just type registered in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss a single day of our 7-day series. Let's get certified.